Science says you can actually reprogram your brain in minutes, not weeks, not months, just minutes. And today, I'm going to show you a simple, science-backed brain hack that can start rewiring your mind in as little as 7 minutes. Most people walk around thinking their thoughts are fixed. Their habits are fixed. Their reactions are fixed. But the truth is the opposite. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, and it's the reason you can change how you think, how you feel, and even how you behave, faster than you imagine. Think about this for a moment. Every thought you repeat is a signal. Your brain doesn't care whether a thought is helpful or destructive. It just strengthens whatever you give attention to. That's why negative thinking becomes automatic. And it's also why you can deliberately create new pathways that support confidence, focus, clarity, and a better mindset. So here's the 7-minute brain hack that helps you reprogram your mind. Step 1. Interrupt the negative loop. Whenever a limiting thought appears, like I can't do this, or I'm not good enough, you cut it off immediately. Say stop out loud. This breaks the automatic pattern and forces your brain to shift attention. Step 2. Choose the opposite empowering thought. If your mind says, I always fail, replace it with, I always learn and get better. If it says, I'm not capable, replace it with, I can grow into this. You are not lying to yourself. You are giving your brain a new direction. Step 3. Visualize the new thought as if it's already true. Close your eyes for 30 seconds and imagine a version of yourself who already thinks this way. Imagine the confidence, the energy, the results. Your brain fires the same neurons during visualization as it does during real experience, which means you're literally shaping your future pathways. Step 4. Repeat the new thought with emotion. Emotion is the glue that helps your subconscious mind accept a new belief. Say the new thought with certainty. Feel it. Your brain rewires faster when emotion is involved. This combination, interruption, replacement, visualization, and emotion, activates the parts of your brain responsible for forming new neural connections. And when you repeat this simple routine daily, even for just 7 minutes, your brain starts to default to the new pattern. That's when you begin to notice real change, clearer decisions, better habits, less overthinking, more confidence. The biggest mistake people make is assuming their mind is fixed. It's not. Your brain is a programmable system, and you are the programmer. The more consistently you feed it empowering thoughts, the faster it rewires. So try this 7-minute brain hack every day for the next 7 days. You'll be amazed at how quickly your mindset shifts. And if you want more neuroscience-backed tools to reprogram your mind and transform your life, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more.